Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to add birthday on your Imo account. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open Imo on your phone. Tap on your profile icon from the top left corner of the screen. A menu will open. Tap on your profile picture or name from the top. Then tap on the edit button from the bottom. Now tap on Bio. From the below options, select birthday. Select your birth month, date, and year. Then tap on the tick button from the top right corner. Tap on the tick button from the top right corner one more time. And your birthday has been added to your profile. From now on, when someone visits your profile, they will see your birthday. So in this way, you can add birthday on your Imo account. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.